This episode might be exceptional, but different and global in the same time. Are you ready to embark with us on a new different journey? Welcome back to Wanderlust Chronicles. Today, we're taking you on a journey to explore some of the biggest and most breathtaking waterfalls around the globe. From the thunderous roars of Africa to the lush rainforests of South America, pack it up and prepare to be amazed by the sheer power and beauty of these natural wonders. Our first stop is Victoria Falls. Straddling the border between Zimbabwe and Zambia, known locally as the Smoke Defenders. This magnificent waterfall is one of the Africa's original blockbusters. At 2,903 feet tall, Victoria Falls holds the title of the world's largest sheet of falling water. The mist and the roar can be seen and heard from over 25 miles away. For the ultimate experience, you can soar overhead in an open-sided helicopter for a bird's-eye view, or take a daring plunge into Devil's Pool, right at the edge of the falls. Imagine perching on the lip of this colossal waterfall, feeling the world-famous spray engulfing you in its misty magic. It's a sensation you'll never forget. Our next journey is on the heart of the Guyanese rainforest to find Custer Falls. While it may not be the widest, Custer Falls boasts the world's highest single drop at an astounding 1,581 feet. The trek through the lush jungle to reach this hidden gem is an adventure in itself. Keep an eye out for the forbidden sacred cave behind a white wall of water and the tiny toxic golden frog that inhabits the bromeliads along the way. Standing in front of Custer Falls, you'll feel the power of nature in its purest form, as the royal blue waters crash into the plunge pool below. From the rainforests of Guyana, we head to South Africa's Drakensberg mountain. The view from the top feels like a scene straight out of Lion King. Surrounded by an amphitheater of flat-top mountains, the Gila Falls below and mist remains a secret for the next explorers to uncover. Our next iconic destination is Niagara Falls, which straddles the border between the USA and Canada. Spanning 81 square miles, it's not the tallest, but it's definitely one of the most powerful and expansive waterfalls in the world. On the American side, don a poncho and help a bro the maid of the mist for an up-close encounter. From the Canadian side, you can launch yourself onto a thrilling zipline into the mist for an unparalleled bird's eye view. The billowing mist, the thundering roar, and the sheer volume of water makes Niagara Falls an unforgettable experience. Our final stop is Gullfoss Falls in Iceland. Known as the Golden Falls, this is Europe's largest waterfall by volume. In the summer, its water shimmers seductively in the sun, but in winter, it transforms into a glittering curtain. So what are you waiting for? Pack it up and start your incredible journey to explore some of the biggest and most beautiful waterfalls around the globe. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel adventures. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.